Welcome to Certified Junior Astronaut Training Course. The title of this lecture is Origin of Satellites and the Rules, Part 1. This lecture will answer the following inquiry. Is the satellite static, or does it rotate in the space? Satellites do not fly using the commonly known aviation theories like planes. Satellites operate outside the atmosphere, where their movements are controlled by astronomical laws and theories that are studied in one of the most important branches of astronomy, which is orbital mechanics. Satellites rotate in a very high speed in fixed circles called orbits, and cannot stop. The speed of a satellite increases as it is nearer to Earth, and decreases as it is farther. There is no static satellite. Even the communication and TV broadcasting satellites such as Nilesat, Hotbird, and Eutelsat, which the majority of people think they are static because they direct their receivers toward them, they are actually non-static. They rotate in a circular orbit above one point on the equator and at the same speed of the Earth's rotation. They seem to us from Earth as if they are static. Finally, we have reached the end of the lecture. Thanks for your undivided attention.